Welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainment. I'm CJ. Hi, honeybees. That's what I call my subscribers. And for those who's newbie, welcome. And on Friday, we keep it real with real talk on a lot of topics. And today's topic is springtime. Woo, is 80 degrees out here in the Big O. So I figured it's an important thing to talk about. So let me share with you how I feel about when I hear the word springtime. I feel like it's work. I got to exchange my curtains, take my winter curtains down, put up my summer curtains, shampoo the rugs from all the snow and the mud, clean out the garages, disinfect for all the bugs, sweep it all up, plug in all the bug stuff, all the bug lamps, get ahead and spray it down. Then I got yard work. Got to get ready for that. So you got to cut the grass, plant the flowers, do some gardening, do some decoration. Woo, I'm just tired of talking about it. Then you got your car. You winterized it. Now it's time to springtize it. You got to make sure it's got the tires. It don't overheat. And guys, y'all know how that is. Because now you got to detail your ride. Kids is the same way. When I was a kid, I had to make sure my skateboard was up and running. My bicycle was up and running. Woo! Springtime is work. Let me also tell you. What about meal planning? Now the meals has got cooler. So you're talking salad, potato salad, egg salad, sandwiches. Talking about different meal plannings. Can't be eating heavy stuff when it's nice and hot out. That's not good. And to top it all off, now you're talking about fashion. Guys, it's time to pull out them t-shirts and them tank tops, them shorts, them sandals. Women, you know we got it harder than anybody. You have to change the colors. You can't walk around with fall colors. Dark brown, the grays, the blacks. You need the yellows, the oranges, the bright colors. You know, like light green. So you can see. So you got to do your nail color to spring colors and your makeup as well as your wardrobe. Because you got to get your hair done. That's what I'm doing now. Conditioning my hair to get it ready for springtime. Then you got to get ahead and get your fashion out. When I was younger, you take your clothes from the back, you move them to the front. You take your shoes from the front, you move them to the back. You got your sandals, you got your shoes. You put your boots away and pull out your springtime boots. I'm just tired just by talking about it. Oh, and that's not it. You can't step out with fall makeup. Now, how many of you could relate to that? You can't be walking around with fall eyeshadow on. You got to get springtime. That's not the end. What about your nails? I have seen some women stop and say, girl, your makeup look nice, but you got fall nails on. So, hit me up in the comments. Is springtime work for you? Can you relate to all this springtime work? Do you do any of these things that I discussed to get ready for summertime? Oh, yeah, most important, what about the grill? We got to clean up the grill, get ready to go, because guess what? We got to eat outdoors cookouts. Oh, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you do to get ready for really summertime. Y'all know what time it is. It's Friday. And I'm out because I'm tired. Peace.